Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see a tool called TLSX, which is designed by Project Discovery. So this tool is basically used to identify the misconfigurations of or configurations of TLSS, TLS or SSL. So this is mainly focused on TLS implementation and configurations, and also it has multiple features called cipher suite enumeration, then protocol version detection, then certificate information of SSL certificates. So if you want to more on this tool, you can refer this blog and go through it. So today we are going to see what we are going to focus on is how to use this tool. So which will include the installation instructions and its usage. So basically for installation you will need to have the Go language installed on your Kali Linux or any system, and the required version of Go language, it should be 1.20. So if you have the Go language version below 1.20, then you should try updating your Go language version by following this blog post. And if you have 1.2 or above, then you are good to go with the installation. So there are two steps, two methods to install this TLSX tool on your system. So method 1 is recommended, and method 2 you can use when the method 1 is not really working for you. So starting with method 1, we have to run this command to download and install the Go, TLSX using Go language. So copy this command and open your terminal. So before that, we will show you the what version of Go language we are running. So simply type Go version and press enter. So as you can see, we have 1.20 installed on our system. So we are good to go. Now paste that link which we have copied from the blog and press enter. So first time it will take some time to download the whole tool, but we already had downloaded and deleted it, so it got downloaded again immediately. So next thing is to run this command to access this particular tool from anywhere on the terminal. So to do that, just copy the command and paste it in your terminal and press enter. Give your root user password and press enter. Okay, now this way it will copy the TLSX tool from Go directory to the bin directory. Next thing is to check the installation whether it got successfully installed or not. To verify it, simply copy this command and paste it in terminal and press enter. So if you receive this type of output, then it definitely got installed successfully, and you are good to go with the next usage. So but we will see the method 2 as well. So in method 2 we have the downloading and building the TLSX with the help of Go. So to do that, copy this command and paste it in your terminal and press enter. Okay, now once the cloning is complete, move to the next step and copy this command. So basically we will enter into the TLSX directory, and you can do the ls to see what files are there. So there is only one file, that is main.go. Now we will execute this command called go build to have the compiled and build version of TLSX. Now if you will do the ls, you will able to see the TLSX build version or compile version. So even to verify this installation, we have command /TLSX-version. Copy that and paste it here. So as you can see, this installation is also completed successfully. Now since we have both the installations in place, you can run the TLSX from anywhere, wherever you want. And to view the help, you just simply type the TLSX -H, and you will be able to see the help menu, from which you can use different flags to analyze the your target or URLs. So we will try running the given command over here. So simply copy this command and paste it in terminal and press enter. So this command basically will enumerate the TLS versions, and it will display on the terminal itself only for this particular target. Now as you can see the particular domain is supporting this much of TLS versions, and similarly you can alter these flags as per your dependency. Now if we can run for the cipher enumeration, so flag is C hyphen CE. Now press enter. So it will enumerate the ciphers which are supported by these particular versions. Okay, so next thing, you can run these commands by replacing this particular domain. And if you want to know more about the particular tool, you can visit the repository of the project discovery to get more insight from the tool. Okay, so the current command which we have run, it will take some time, so wait for it, and I'll show you the output at the end of the video. So this is how the output looks like of cipher suite enumeration. So it has given the cipher suites of all TLS versions, for all TLS versions. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and hope you have liked the video. So thank you. Have a great day.